welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Hollywood here. Today's video is going to be the second annual Mobb ride that I host in Montgomery, Alabama. You know, I've always wanted to have like a Mobb ride that's local, so that, like, I don't have to ride to Atlanta or Birmingham. Like, Atlanta's 2.5 hours away, Birmingham's a little over an hour. You know, I want to have something that's in my hometown, something that I can do, because, you know, it seems easy in the look of things, grand scheme of things, but, you know, it's a little bit harder to plan stuff like this and get people out, find a date that everybody's going to be free and available. Last year taught us a lot of things, especially not picking a meetup spot that's getting the direct sunlight and everyone's sitting out there for a little over an hour. Like, we gotta, when we say kickstands up at 3, you know, we gotta hurry up and get out of there. Pressure P's calling me. I can't talk right now, buddy, I'm sorry. But yeah, man, it taught us a lot of stuff, like, especially riding in the ATM Mobb ride last year, just right after our Mobb ride. Like, I picked up a lot of things from the ATM Mobb ride, you know, like having to, like, just picking different routes and seeing what everybody likes and what they don't like. Last year I felt like the route was a little short, so this year we're making the route a lot longer. Hopefully we can get some good content out of all this and everybody can get what they want out of it. You know, we got the highway first thing, we're getting on the interstate so everybody can do their wheelies, they can get some races in, they can do whatever they want to on the interstate at their own discretion. I'm not going to be partaking in any of that, because the particular interstate that we're going to be riding on, it is, that city and back is infested with state troopers. They sit on that highway all the time. But if it's clear, then it's clear. You know, we're going to make it do what it do. But if not, we're going to behave. So we got my co-host RaceReady. We're going to go meet up with them. We're going to meet up with as well. And we're just going to have a good time today. We're also going to be ending the ride at the Ruff Ryder house like we did last year. Right now, that's like the only spot that we have that can have a crowd of people. And that's not like an actual like business or establishment. That way we don't have to worry about pissing anybody off. We can do what we want to do out there and just have a good time, man. So I'll catch back up with you guys when we meet up with RaceReady and we're heading over to the meet spot. Alright, change of plans, guys. Surprise, I'm late. They're gonna be late. So I'm going straight to Circle K. It's hot as crap out here. I'm not waiting. What the hell are you doing, buddy? We're all about to ride out. I just want to thank everybody for coming out and showing up. Nah, yeah, my seat's hard, crazy hard. But yeah, like I was saying, thank you everybody for coming out. Hopefully nobody goes down. We all stay on track, stay on the route. Yeah, we do have an interstate portion. I'm gonna try to record then, get everybody cutting up and shit. So we'll see what it does. He didn't see me. I was gonna say, "What's up, brother? What's up, brother?" That's what I gotta do is every year. Let him pass. Come over. Hey, let him pass. Wait, we're gonna let him pass. He's saying, woo! We just got done coming from Mexico. And Mexico, a little twisty. Wait on a couple more to come on. I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm hungry as hell. I'm ready to get to this clubhouse. There they go. There they go. Oh man, I saw it too. Fuck. God damn it. No. Ah, come on, man. Come on, come on. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Oh my God. Stop. You good? Hey, hold that. Oh my God. You good, man? Yeah. Where you hurting at, man? Does it feel like it's broke? Hey, come on, we gotta get you out of here. Come on. What? We gotta get you out off this ditch. Come on. Oh, you got him? Oh, fuck. Is it off? God damn, I saw him scraping too. Fuck. Shit. Hey, where you hurting at, man? I'm about to grab on you, alright? I'm EMT. What? I'm about to grab on you, make sure you ain't got no broken bones.
Okay, hold on. Right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
You're not hurt nowhere else?
Yeah. Man, when we were coming through here, I saw that dip over there, and I was like, man, that is going to be a fucking hell to my kid. I don't know. We're way down that way. Oh, yeah, no, it's not that cool down.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, this is not how I plan on ending my mob ride, but we can count this ride as donezo. Yeah. His bike's done. His leg's broke. He's gonna be alright. He's got a major concussion though. I feel bad for him. In my opinion, I think he got a little overconfident in the turn, and he's on a Goldwing. and the peg, because I was right behind him, his peg scraped. And he dropped even lower, and next thing you know, the bike was sliding up under him, and then he low side, then he high sided. So got a pretty bad concussion. I hope he makes a full recovery. Huh? This way's faster? Alright. I guess that way's faster now. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video, because I did not enjoy working on my friend, but, well, I say friend, I just kind of met him today. But I'll catch you guys in the next video, I guess.